Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of mute notifications on the application of Threads. We go to settings. Here in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will search about the application of Threads and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store and then you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.